Hello, welcome to Ababil Math World. Today we are going to solve an interesting problem. A plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8, where a comma b belongs to z. Then we have to find the value of a plus b. So here the required value is a plus b. We have to find it. So for this one, the given equation is a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 8. Multiplying by 2 on both sides, 2 into a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 2 into 8. Multiplying by 2, 2a plus 2 into 2, 4ab plus 2b is equal to 2 into 8, 16. In these two, 2a is a common factor. So we can write 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 2b is equal to 16. So I want one more 1 plus 2b as a common factor. So for this I add 1 on both sides. So 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 1 plus 2b is equal to 1 plus 16. So that is 1 I added. So this is 2a into 1 plus 2b plus this can be written as 1 into 1 plus 2b is equal to 17. So here we have 1 plus 2b and 1 plus 2b as a common factor. So 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. Or we can rewrite it as 1 plus 2a into 1 plus 2b is equal to 17. So here the possible factorization for 17 is this way. This is 17 into 1 or 1 into 17, and further two negative values, minus 17 into minus 1 and 1 minus 1 into minus 17, minus 1 into minus 17. We see these different cases and we see what are the values of a and b we get here. So first of all, we take the factor 17 and 1. So if we equate 1 plus 2a to 17 and 1 plus 2b to 1, 1 plus 2b is equal to 1. So from this one, 2a is equal to 17 minus 1 and 2a is equal to 16. So a is equal to 16 by 2, a is equal to 8. And here this side we have cancelling 1 and 1, 2b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. So in this case the value of a plus b is equal to 8 plus 0. So a plus b is equal to 8. This is one value. And next, if we take 1 plus 2a is equal to 1 and 1 plus 2b is equal to 17, then cancelling 1 and 1 on either side, 2a is equal to 0 and here a is equal to 0, and this gives 2b is equal to 17 minus 1, 2b is equal to 16, b is equal to 16 by 2, so b is equal to 8. So in this case also we have a plus b is equal to 0 plus 8. So the value of a plus b we get here is again the same value, a plus b is equal to 8 we got here. And the first value also we got a plus b is equal to 8. And the other possibilities are the negative values minus 17 and minus 1 if we take for the two factors. So then we see what we get. So 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 17 and 1 plus 2b is equal to minus 1 say. So then 2a is equal to minus 17 minus 1, 2a is equal to minus 18 and a is equal to minus 18 by 2 and a is equal to minus 18 by 2 minus 9. And this side b we want. So 2b is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So 2b is equal to minus 2. B is equal to minus 2 by 2. So b is equal to minus 1. So here a plus b is equal to minus 9 minus 1. We have the value minus 10. So a plus b is equal to minus 10. And in a similar way, by taking 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 1. So if we take 1 plus 2a is equal to minus 1 and 1 plus 2b is equal to minus 17. 2a is equal to minus 1 minus 1. 2a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2 by 2. So then a is equal to minus 1. And this one 2b is equal to minus 17 minus 1. 2b is equal to minus 18 and b is equal to minus 18 by 2. So b is equal to minus 9. And in this case also we have a plus b is equal to minus 1 minus 9 minus 10. So two different values we got for a plus b. One is a plus b is equal to 8 and the other value of a plus b is minus 10. If you like this solution, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.